Welcome back, YouTubers. And we're working on a 2018 Subaru Crosstrek. This is the rear brakes. I'm going to change the brakes and rotors. First, you got these two 14 millimeters holding the calipers on. You want to go ahead and take them off. Set your caliper to the side. Take off your brake pads. Then you got another two 14 millimeters holding the bracket together. So there's a total of four 14 millimeters holding all this brake system together. Once you get the bracket off, go ahead and set it to the side. Then we're going to go after the disc brake rotor itself. It's seized on there, rusted. I'll show you guys a trick on how to get it off. You don't need a hammer. The trick to take off rusted, seized rotors is to use two small little bolts. Shove them in there to the threaded holes. Start tightening it down. It'll break the rust. There you go. Rust is broken. You can pull the rotor off now. Once you get the rotor off, go ahead and check the parking brakes. Adjust them if you need to. In this particular model, it didn't need adjusting or replacement. Thank you, YouTubers. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.